Hello fam, today we're going to try a chicken dish and we're going to see if we can make this chicken dish for you. We're going to have our chicken breast, we're just going to take 2/3 cup melted butter, separate bowl, we're going to take half a cup breadcrumbs, we're going to have 2 tablespoons Italian style Parmesan cheese. We're going to have 1 teaspoon basil, one teaspoon oregano, that'd be my oven getting done heating up, getting ready for this chicken that we're prepping up right now. Quarter teaspoon garlic salt, and a quarter teaspoon table salt. We're going to take all those dry herbs I just showed you and we're going to put them in a bowl and we're going to mix them all up nice and good so they're all blended in. Then we're going to take our chicken, we're going to dip it in butter, and we're going to roll it in the dry ingredients. And once I get this done, I will show you what it will look like. Hopefully better than I Try not to make a mess while you're in the kitchen. Because you don't want to clean up, you want to clean up as less as you have to. But we're going to get these chicken breasts cooked up nice and good. Hey, Mom.
It looks good. I'm just
watching. Good, huh?
Uh-huh. I was watching you do your thing. Pops loves to cook.
I'm going to show you family here in just a second what this chicken going to look like. It's good.
Smelling really good.
Hope I made enough to coat all the chicken.
Oh, no, you do it good.
This might even work good putting the dry stuff in a bag and use it as a shake and bake too. It probably work pretty good. Not that I've tried it, but we's gonna bake this 50 to 60 minutes or until golden brown. Does that look good? Hope you enjoy it. We're gonna bake that at 375 for 50 to 60 minutes or until brown. And in the meantime, while that's cooking up, we're gonna make a little sauce to go over top of it when it's all cooked to brown. Right now I'm boiling the water for that. We're gonna make some broth. We're gonna make a broth to go over top. It's gonna be a chicken broth with green onion, chopped up green onions and parsley mixed up and poured over the top of the chicken after it gets out of the oven. That will be 50 to 60 minutes. And that's gonna be me and Mom's meal for the day. And I will make a short clip of the meal when it's all done. The finishing touches, and I will show you the final product. So tune in for the next short clip. I'll make a short clip of it, and we'll see you live at 5. Love you.